Hey guys, it's Goldy, and today I'm going to show you how I made these croutons. Turns out croutons are quite easy. First, I cut the crusts off some slices of bread, then let it go stale. Once it had gone stale, I absolutely drenched the slices with melted butter and sprinkled them with salt. If I had herbs, I would have added them on too. Once drenched and salted, I cut the slices into small pieces, then baked them at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. I didn't realize how simple croutons are to make, so I'll definitely be making this tiny snack again. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you next week. Bye!